if you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, and just I would always suggest you to install the GeForce Experience app if you haven't already, and then switch over to drivers, and here make sure that you have always installed the latest version of your GeForce Game Ready driver. Click on download, and then just install the latest version of it. Always very important. When you have done that, we can already switch over to your Windows search and type in Device Manager. And here we're going to start by with our disk drives. So just open the drop down menu, disk drives, right click on our first disk drive, click on Update Driver, click on Search automatically for drivers. And here maybe you need to install some new drivers. In my case, the best drivers for your device are already installed. The same thing you can do with all of the others, other disk drives, and with all your display adapters. So display adapters, the graphics card, and also your processors, because those are the most important ones in my opinion. When you have done it, you can already close the task Device Manager, and then head over again to your Windows search, type in Settings, open your Settings app, and then click on Privacy and Security. And then in the Security section, the first one, click on Windows Security. And then click on Virus and Threat Protection. And here, right in the middle, Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings. And then scroll down until you see exclusions. And here we can add or remove exclusions. And what we want to do is to, first of all, click on Yes. And then here in the exclusions window, click on Add an Exclusion, and then click on Folder. And then select your Steam folder and your just PUBG folder. How can you find out where your PUBG folder is? Just open Steam when you launch it on Steam, and then right click on PUBG, click on Properties, click on Local Files, and then just click on Browse. That's the fastest way on how you can just find your PUBG folder. And then just select this folder here in the exclusions window. And when you've done it, we can already switch over to the firewall and network protection. And here to click on Allow an app through firewall. And then just on the top right corner, click on Change Settings. In order to do that, you need to have administrator rights, just to note that. And then in here, scroll down, or you can just select anything in there and then just type in Steam. And here make sure to just allow every Steam process in here. So I'll make sure that all of these settings or buttons are checked on the right hand side and regarding Steam. And then just click on OK, and that's already it. And yeah, perfect. Then we can close this already, and close this already, and close this already, and close this already. The last thing I would suggest you is to make sure that your installation data is correct. So right click on your PUBG in Steam, click on Properties, switch over to Local Files, and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. And in the case of PUBG, this might take a few moments longer because it's a lot more, a lot bigger, the data. But make sure that all of the files are correct. So just verify the integrity to check for some installation data errors. Perfect. That's it. That's how you can fix the problem when your PUBG is not launching. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions left, just leave them in the comment section below. Then I write you back as soon as possible, and then we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.